There is no special formula or some kind of recipe on how to pray correctly. The only thing is you have to really be praying from your heart. All my life I have prayed, but I didn't seriously start praying from my heart until I really wanted to find God. That started a serious point of my life when I would get on my hands and my knees and I would pray somewhere in private. I was actually praying on the bathroom floor, and whenever someone would come in, then I'd quickly get up and I would just walk out. I didn't want anyone to know what I was actually doing. What I was actually doing was praying and asking God that if He were really real, to help me. I was to a point in my life where I didn't know who God was. I knew that He was love, I knew the Bible, but I didn't really know what He wanted from me. It felt like He was far away, somewhere up in the heavens, or maybe He didn't exist or didn't really care about me personally. But as I prayed, Jesus came to me and started revealing Himself to me day after day after day, and He still does. I have constant revelation from Jesus, and it has never stopped. I found Jesus about 8 or 9 years ago now. And I can tell you, it is better than anything in this whole world. I don't let go of Jesus. I hold on to Him. He has become my Father. I have become His Son. And I let nothing get in the way of my relationship with Him. I encourage others to do the same thing. There is no special formula. You just have to pray to Him. He is your Father in heaven. Pray to Him with the sincerity of your heart. You will find Him when you seek Him with all of your heart and all of your strength. It's not about vain repetitions. It's not about special words. It's about the sincerity of your own heart. May the grace of Jesus be with you.